look how much my baby's grown! Hey guys, my name is Rachel. Welcome back to Auxhart Gardening. Today is short and sweet. I just want to give you guys an update on my single seed challenge. Now again, if you guys haven't heard of the single seed challenge, go back and watch single seed part 1. It's going to be in a playlist with this video. It's on my channel. And you can also check out the originator of the single seed challenge, Mr. Scott Head. He's over at Black Gumbo Southern Gardening. And just to give you a brief overview, the idea is to take one single seed and plant it and watch its growth over a whole season. Because as gardeners, we tend to plant a bajillion seeds and kind of everything gets caught up in one big group. And the cool thing about this challenge is that you can watch the power of one single seed as it grows from this itty bitty little thing into this plant, which is eventually going to produce fruit for me, which is going to have more seeds in it. So it's a pretty cool challenge. It's not too late to start. I've been working with this jigsaw pepper. He is in his final pot right now, actually. I'm trying to keep him small so that he can sit on the windowsill that you guys are actually sitting on right now. And he's just been getting light sun in the windowsill. I turn him every day. You can see his leaves are beautiful and variegated, and the fruit is going to be like these cute little gems. They're only going to get about this big. They're going to be hot peppers. And so this is going to just be a great plant for me to pull 1 or 2 peppers off for dinner right here in my kitchen. And earlier, you might have seen on my Instagram, I actually had to top this plant. And I'll have a bigger video on topping peppers in the future, but if I take you up close in, you can kind of see right here, this is where I topped him, and I have some before and afters of this. But basically, when you top a pepper, all its little armpits grow extra stems, and you get a bushier plant as opposed to a very tall, skinny plant. And this guy is just doing so well. I'm so happy with him. Maybe next time I give you guys an update will be when we start setting fruit. But that's all I have for you guys today. Single seed challenge is going great. And if you didn't catch that, you can follow me on Instagram. I'm at Auxhart Gardening. And I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy gardening.